When you first open Visual Studio, you get to the Start page. So for this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a HelloWorld project using C++. So on File, New, Project, I'm going to click on Visual C++ and Win32 console application. I'm going to give it a name, and this name is going to be HelloWorld. I can also choose the location where this project is going to be created. I'm just going to leave as default for now. Click OK. Next. And I want a empty project. So again, empty project. Finish. And this is the project I created. Notice that we only have a lot of files right here, but no CPP file. So I'm going to right click on HelloWorld, add new item, and a CPP file. I'm going to name it main. Add, and this is a C++ file, but there is nothing yet. So let's create some code here. So this is the basic structure of a program. Now right here on the top, I'm going to insert some directives, and I'm going to include the IO stream. And the IO stream happens to be a pre-processor directive. What that means is before the compiler compiles the program, it looks into this directive and includes the ability for us to use some code right here in the main later. And the second thing I'm going to do is to using the namespace standard std. And again, what that does is going to allow us to use some namespace, and later we're going to see why. So now we're ready to start writing some kind of code, and all this code is going to do is to display the word hello world. So let's start writing. So cout, and then end line. Cout sends something to the console output. In between these two double quotes here, you're going to write something that you want the cout to output. I just want to print hello world. And then if I go to debug and start without debugging, the shortcut, by the way, is Ctrl F5. This window shows up, and I can see the hello world right here. That's all it does. Now, because this is a main function, and also it's an integer, it's a good behavior to return something. And for now, we're just going to return 0. Return 0 pretty much means everything worked out fine, no problem. So return 0. And that's all for a Hello World program.